Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to open a Fifth Third bank account. First, go to 53.com and click Open an account. If you're new, enter your email and zip code, then tap Get Started. Before continuing, make sure you have your social security number, a phone with a camera, and a driver's license or state ID. Next, enter your phone number to verify your identity. You'll get a text with a link. Open it and scan your ID using your phone. After that, fill in the remaining details and follow the on-screen steps. Once completed, your bank account will be created. To sign in, return to 53.com. Click Login, choose Online Banking, and enter your user ID and password. You can also download the Fifth Third mobile app for easier access. And that's it. That's how to open a Fifth Third bank account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.